This is how to see App Store download history. So what you have to do is to locate the App Store on your iPhone like this, and you just get inside normally. And in the top right corner, you should be able to see your profile picture, which you can tap on, which pulls up this page. And in here, you can manage your profile and other things related to it, but you can definitely find the apps and purchase history. And in here, you can click on your apps at the top like this, and you can browse all of the apps which you have downloaded through this Apple account, either on this iPhone only or all of them, right? So you can kind of like separate it by seeing apps which you perhaps downloaded on another iPhone using the same account, or on an iPad, for example. So here are all of the apps, and here are those which were not downloaded on this iPhone. And you can, of course, scroll through them. You can re-download them again if you would want to, or if there's an update available, you can definitely update. One more thing you can do in here is that if you don't want to see it in there anymore, you can swipe left on it and click on hide, which will make it disappear from this list, making sure it is no longer part of your purchase or download history of the App Store. So that's essentially how it works. Definitely subscribe to Foxtecc for more videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.